for a higher juicy news. Mema Bawumia Kwaba. I had the latest hot ekwa. And I'm a Bramo and Unti. So we can subscribe to channel idea. Bomodia say over subscribe. There we are say over click the subscribe button. Now wabeli notification. We understand video for be upload when the first person once ebeka sa video. Afi we are now like video. Give us a thumbs up. Now fi share my for so now when you be here now and somewhere also Ghana memoir. Afi yembura ye and somewhere abeto yepno so umayenti sa reporting somewhere abeto jamayenti
a diversionary because that is how omoya omama yourself and maybe you kumase those times I think some of Fox
FM okay
and Kofi Juma
Max
na sa breno omampani Kofo sembia be gubedwam ana sebi enya kono and Kofi Juma I said that yes boa kakra ka bi free wie mu pa ba be hwa asase so I just say oh yes ana say afi ehu abo
obia
obeka ko tie news obeka ko tie news aha ntu ko tie news bi mu tie news ana ebo ne ho asem ne yebeka ube tie ebo ne ho asem be wie no
diversional tactics
wa ube dwane akose dem tie news bi mu ne boa
yes
eyo musu ano no ene o mobile we ayesa no omu nyine hu se omu ni credibility but because say we are reverent no
no pushing so
ayesa wo ko kan amafo be gie aten Afenyo Markin wo nie nuonyam enti wo ya wo nkonsa te se de no ye pam Kennedy Agyapong say papa panin toto wo na ya soma ko keka nsem na Ghana fo nka se Anas nye ni papa meboa
sanity
so no na be kan yo
say na kan
there's a nine wadakura na
no ne
yeda da ho ne friend say ko panin toto na se bi wadwini mu ohanti
na
ko keka nsem bu nkofo so meboa
sano kan
very good it we no a diversionary from containers are omawia containers we MPP for na omo de dane abai we nkwanta Afenyo Markin ni hu bi
chai board chairman
one the cabal no NAPO uso NAPO ko kumase ohu ne kasa no say dia me opposition nti me ni kapra me de ba na ejamaboaboa me hu kakra na me de ba NAPO sika ekura no ehu papa sika wa mo hu no a national security threat they be am can say we na a man for time taking you maybe seriously oh my way mu Akufo Addo cannot account for 10% of the monies he accrued between 2017 and 2025 January. He cannot. 10% of that money, no. Any Ghana ha, like mean say the other year Ghana ha. So it means they are holding over 90% of the monies they accrued. So that if it's about just loans, they took more than 700 billion loans. They have more than 600 billion with them. Yes. Because so we share in estimation from Nkrumah to John Mahama or manage Busia 122 billion and 120.2 billion
Ghana cedis.
Now on Babaji in excess of 700 billion account. Cecilia no e bagana ha yesi enfamo ye ho bra Ghana can be fighting Dubai because Dubai hasn't spent that much but look at the Burj Khalifa, look at all the edifices you see, and that is a desert. Dubai doesn't sell cocoa. Dubai doesn't sell any cash crop. Dubai is only in business for businessmen. So if you have been able to accrue up to this much, na abai for fraba na enya ne juma anase enya ne occupation say obehwehwe sika in excess of 90 billion na omawia na, I'm worried because they will be doing diversionary all through. That is how to shortchange nyema ekoso nti wadwi be free so say e wo se me kwachi wo mo na afei koke we no ube se wo mle ade anya nukro no no wakwa hwehwem container ayira no what you be free container ne so na afi ko hwe koka achi mesre bio perifosi edija wa ne de aso o mampani jo mahama onu nko ntimi nya mampani ena ne Kweku Annan sia onu na twika onu na adani mate adani passenger. He cannot be the judge, the prosecutor, and perpetrate crime and visit his own court. Anything our appointments, we only frame be delegation of power. To me, be a crowd, be or you see you are now a minister, be and some be no. One who say he is acting in the stead of the president. Because Oman Penny won't be energy minister until our family John NAPO. And as brainy and eloquent and very sharp as he is, no, look at how and some what the chronology of the events, no, what the chronicle of it, no. First of all, a dear Nebaye, Obaye as minister, you hand you over to him, no, or Koko Boakye, or the committee say, or no, won't mean could now on Casse containers over 3,000, no, make into committee. Momo ko say containers no say mo mi ebiem na mo say nioma say legum mo say containers ni bi o wa enioma 8 on a row so times 2 16 times another 2 because I was set 2 say gusuro no we say mo ko here na enioma 16 pe na instead of 32 container ni bi o be so no. Yes, national security is at work and they have been very effective and efficient. And I know can say we so makwa kwa tibi wo your friend is saying Shaman
I am Matisa Shaman so
say here so makwa chi pon omache omukwa tibi wo said domio said damio
me nyanti kra se go one side wo so
dawa omukwa tibi wo omukwa ti
go more central
she ye kasa obi ya mamboye ni a me senka me ni mampani na e ka me make sure say nke be outlaw the new patriotic party omi ya mamboyefo omi ya wudifo hwe say obi tie kura bia se pe kanea keke mpodi asua de anase kanea mpodi aye adwuma rural electrification ya jo mahama onu nko a odi 4 years ye oye uni communities odi kanea ko ye 2801 2801 the 8 years of Akufo Addo wanfa kanea ko bia
na de
kanea na wo so de ko ba bi no ho waya ya de kanea no famu ansa na timi aduro bi kuro mu no sa wo ya ni e ka ho asem over 3,000 containers milia hwe sa wo yes no container bia no 32 coils anywum 32 coils on sa dua na omode waya na chechire ho no container ba ku bia no maku 32 na wum 8 on the left, 8 on the right, 8 up, 8 down.
Yeah.
What do I say? So 16. Multiply 8 by 4 rows, you get 32. And so every container carried 32 coils.
A zero so.
Many panel they multiply 32 by 3,000 containers. Then you know how many thieves the MPP has. What do I say? So it's very painful. Say, Ghana need to meet say, my Bible drew baby a friend the political class. Said you have Afenyo Markin the political class. You know, I have to bestow on myself the accolades of TV and make sure say I rip the nation of its wealth. Apart from say 1 year we bottom sika on e-levy and the betting tax. No, now I say real. When you are on one casa ECG Accra, you man a firm on it, and you have a good pot. Say you found rural electrification project. Na cables higher than so you fancy sano. Then Lamkania Sebio, John Mahama, and then I bind that down. As you say, yeah, you bet me, Amma Sebi,
di and the man no more.
Let me at the sun. Let me the sun, your mano, and Yamon Caniano, at Tinyako, a few, and there. Omo asanko fo ya moto kebusu no omo sa sori ya no masa yo ma no popropo te se sebi obi abasa
asemu
sebi obonsam odi ko bonsam asu na ono sabe no se dum so aba do mama ba ya na dum so ba ya ohun ye ka nipa mamboye ni a o MPP ni so dan MPP ni ho na ka so bi mamboye ni na chese wu Kristo hwadia sabi won sa ebiai pallet no anu ne di cable ne tire ho eno maako 32 and I container BM. So multiply 32 by 3,000.
8 times 4.
What you say? So 8 times 4 no times all the 32. My ever calculator nye na akono na Ghana for hu krono a NDC for abo. MPP for abo. Ya omodi be se NDC. Enkenye George na po ni nyansa woni dia na ko mabua se na gwa NDC so adan a mo apenso na cables ayira mo apenso na cables a ECG kra wo jom ye fence Akufo Addo apenso do mahama ba no na omo NDC fo awia ntura no komudi be di Ghana fo eno no Afenyo Markin akogye se enye bibia ne de be amanyosem wana ka tira wo enye se money tiri e chedu ai and someone needing a teddy and a more cry Afenyo Markin una na ye board chairman e wo ECG we board chairman na dia we sha se eyira na wo kohwe enkofo ya India fo se Kazakhstan fo se Pakistan fo se hefo na wo yes akofo hwa adia no cable no hwede omodi aye cable no hwede adia omodi aye omodi ye rods no mu wi a omodi rods na ko
asan ko mu
akọ evakọ akoton ma va kufo Ghana ni tax na ye di ko to cable no ono political class for na wia MPP ni no wia de no wia ye no ono asa de ade na ko akoton ma ekofo emu age omu sika wia ye no wouldn't say MPP for na bi na etete MPP for ni bi na etete to o se Nyankopon obade bia na obo ni yie ade a ye friend edidija Nyankopon na boye obo edidija se na be ya ode bete atamfo to ode bete akronfo to se eni mu na nenam ya didi ajabinom omo ko wi akebos no MPP for no omo ankofo na etete to se we wi bi wode ne dia ne ko ha na we dia tie no obekona kebos ni egugo Cecilia me no kai say asama oma kwa cables ni bia omo kwa akoso a national security ye adwuma timo momo sema national security for ni e momo piao omo ye adwuma enti obi bia wo information bia fa cable bia ho bia no mesra wo e fa hinta national security for wo de in the worst case scenario studio ha omo telephone wa wo betimi afre na waka so won't mean frɛ na ni used to well afrɛ no woni King Nicholas afrɛ no woni Isa afrɛ no obi bia woni ni bia ohene baba ne afrɛ no moga bi frɛ no obi bia
ya ashama ya ka ho
what I say enti no mon frɛ na mon ko from penifo akronfo amboyefo na Afenyo Markin di omanim na omo bokro no mo omanim mu ase na sebi se wa nya bibia ma wase a twa ho sanko bɔ ne kro no emfa kebu we a sebi yenke de be kra ye de be ma obi a ono so wa kura ase a woni kanea no wakowia
nti we no Afenyo Markin be ya no ye be friend NAPO Dubik Samuel Dubik
Dubik mi ya no Mimi ne mada.
O se ne chi ne si ye de oreza ne si. Ba ne se mo ke.
Ensema Dubik kan nyina.
Ezisi so.
Won konko yi mi ho ano. Ena radio so ye yi ho. Ni na mi nua no. Tie me Dubik. Menim se ye Dubik tie. O ye pem. Na ba bia odi ne nsem ne nam no. E ma ne nyama kono. Dubik should go and meet national security for. Na details bia wo bia ho fa ma omo. Or statistics or radio commentary now, I will be suspicious of his character. Any radio soon come up. And yes, I could say, me Fabi, Daddy, and you want Fabi Asem, and Penny Fossi the Jawan the Aswao. My brother was in charge of ECG and the Akufo Addo. And I'm not putting the Nian or resign. Obi a napodi na nima na resign no.
Okay.
And an aponom no omudi na ni so resign no mokoto cables no. Everything abasa.
Was and ram tie ne kasa no.
Because
GRA omu ye but on do trail letter say omu njai
yes
nti ono no de Cecilia
nti say Dubik for sure send it here
esi Dubik echi
asembia onibia no won national security national security omu ye working wo betimi akose mi wasem ka owura Razak ni Razak me pa cha una security coordinator ade e call so under my tenure as ECG MD no and as CEO no me kono me hand over note nie me wi ahwe me kura no me resign because ye share ma horoba ye share ma bufuo e na me de resign because na pompe na asem na pon so me anu no na po ronam we enya krono aka na pon koni kapre enya krono na po oni kapre because no ose na wadi na po enkanya
obi ando a medical doctor
medical doctor medical doctor say here omo e wo Ghana ha
ko enim
na kan no me ask me person ya doctor say na be abenyaska doctor ska na wom
ko enim
me say na po na krono a na po krono a e koni kapre because we have say na po college scholarship no be was ka bet ma scholarship enye do mama scholarship an kana po go bet ma go school no ni kapre o de dama and we dey to sre e say no she friend no che beta shami no nsia ni bi ana poncha body say o de dama no dia kutu oni kapre enti krono na ma na po na wa ya chom enti me sure say Dubik nkomo na wodi no radio so no ebi e wo so say e be ka say o kona security a national security for mo hwehwe Dubik o some ka and say na it say I say one no we defend it I say maybe the me nka ho enya mia enya wo a eye hwan and Dubik should walk into the national security and make sure say bibi bia onu wo bia no obeka he should pour it down sing the good music, let it be audible enough. The national security coordinator will hear you. He will make sure whatever evidence be will be because we must find the last cable. Togo. Cables need to Togo. Yes, and they are there in Togo. If I tell you the work of the national security, I may be exposing a lot of the things because they are at work 24/7. And together we be the whereabouts of this cable. No, in fact, international security for because we have a nation to save. We have rescued our nation, and we have a nation to build. Beyond now, no, will be our information beyond and for international security.
Okay.
That said, no, one more, almost no more. And before the enemy Moshe, and this is for now about Bemuna di Irano. Some say you find your politics. You find your politics beam. Dubik, Kobo Amani. Kokabi Bia winning fire. Time I will free wa. Afenyo Markin be pa uchoni na koka. No bia so who show some ba. Na wo ko so de hie meboa.
Asante.
Na mo se wan koka. Na se ewiremu ko ba se we Dubik wo ka ho a minimu papa nimonyami owura mahama ni papa so di mahama ono so di mahama o wo papa lo ya ni mahama yi sebi menimonyam enya krono no de etete wo enti se wan koka na asem ko ba na se wo so udi ko se ya ena na wo so wala o
wala
what you say
Matthias
enti obi oni hu bi de koka because me dia ni pa mi minim so mu wi asade no the suspicion ni kire no NAPO any akwaya wo a micro minor minute minority leader Afenyo omuna mi de because obi otimi wi asase de enye nwanwa so obetimi wi akebo
to mbe yi oma no
to nko yi obi akoyi ni ho no
but I say ma
so bi ya hoto
kasi bisa yo
assembly see here sometimes me tena ho yeah
Nia wu niama ba ko mi no bi
containers say old man omo mi am say old man omo ye omo but I know say a lot is happening. I know say investigation will be air course. Those time former national security for omo wo harbor. Customs for ano omo wo harbor. BNI for ano omo wo harbor. I know the investigation will not take these people out. The way a harbor here no before a container can go out, a custom officer should be aware they generate documents niama bibia ansana ya clear container and container P. So I know they will extend more investigation. But me share the way melty ions no esa moldy no ebinum in a way ebinum in a bus. Yes. Oh yes, anyama say maybe some who say ye nyina ye wo Ghana ha. Obia is coming from a village. Everybody has a village. Sometimes when we go to our villages, we even ask into this people, how do they even survive? Because you doom light even one day cry, then we are complaining. When you go to a village and you see people who have been in darkness for years, na say sebi utin sem say ya ya. Abinding the sika akokra de ni di aba. Ye di ade na aba say ye mfa ye oma adwuma. Enti mo school mu ko say mudu bebo kro no ana mo ko say I still don't get it. Enti now for this quantum of containers
Many na cable so be see meters
no any
for the meters na ton.
Yes, generators. I want it. People say be was na o call ECG those time. You turn bit per meter. Nyan wo ECG. But local market for no almost sub contract. They will sell meter for you. It all
this system
exactly. Because I omuni so to put it in the system simple. Inti se wo kai wo kurasi na a man for eda sumusa na se wo ye penyin na se ye de nyama say o man akra nyama say to help others to also see light keke to see light no so that fan nu ana ohun so da wa on timi hwe TV and then you do this to the people and you expect say Yakupon shira wo man na wo omo no skana wo wia na wo dey hwe sa wo man na wo show omo no. Do you think they will come out as correct human beings? Yakupon dis akatuan ba mas man no. That is why musika mwanya no mbibia no you are struggling with illnesses and serious and severe sickness because the way amudi yes we are the poor the extreme poor you are taking from them. The small comfort so are buying pro-poor policies are buying their aba and also be bo monso no then you are also eating from it. Me yi hwene nanum adwasafo nsem okan say even free SHS kura 1 cedi this was her worst. 1 cedi 20 pesos so you came to her say on inflated figures of schools are existing and fan come na munyesika. Why are MPP so wicked? What is their problem? And I say sebi yet your mind among for egusu go social media body unkofo. Meanwhile nyama iron container ayira nyina mo amuye de scan mo anyebi mo hu the way are no call no nipa na wia na de one na yire ne man ne girlfriends na edi and then ya che no ana ade na out and you are there defending that person. On my ben yenim say ya chechere meanwhile unamwe the doom lighter says in a missing manka your doom lighter you be making noise and a John mama and a ban but nyama ye di be light ni yama ade na esi ho no. I mean obi here way and then you are supporting it. Now who support this and nipa we inti ebesere his excellency John Dramani meaning say investigation there. I know a lot of things will happen in the next 2 months. Never because we kromo ase no say no omudi here politics no. Investigation has nothing to do with politics. Meaning say investigation there ube digi nipa no background ube digi anya bibia into some more after you face him with the evidence. Okay. Now so meaning say a lot is happening. Say na can binum ninam Togo, binum ninam Benin, the neighboring countries. Yes. Yes.
What they began.
Initially
after the incident ne babontin and national security started so mu adwuma no and almost started so mu twan to national security force say cables no
na twa omo kon wia
we say John Mahamas coming was the intervention omo say cables na ira no and omo yes say no national security coordinator making sure say mo be evacuate ade na free baby omo wia no akoba bi but they didn't have a larger area on betimi dia so containers no
ekoko
eno na ekoba say chese yentimi mfani nyina 3000 nyina kogu baabi enti se 7 tani e dia kogu baabi 10 tani e dia kogu baabi yanso so yentimi enti no se nya sa intervention na eke hadwe pa
you see another one so ni say
hadwe pa
I say and you winning power no the thing was in motion. They were doing it in badges. You winning power no. It's like there's small chance I am the 1-2 months now. They were still in the system. No, they used the opportunity to take some of those containers. Within Ashama, those ones that left. Yes, those that left in the between January 7th to March. Previous months years you won't find them again.
But I say at least so enhwebe mama mo be 6 minutes bi na yem fan hwe what dey call him but yenhwe illegal mining ho nsema ekoso na new measures are binding to form when him Owura Muntaka Minister in charge of Interior to Anamobi was baby omo ye illegal mining galamsey bia no district ni divisional commanders no and transfer home.
Yes.
Meaning baby nti asem no okan mede yenti o.
Illegal mining. Senior ni dini no honam se. It's an illegality.
Yes.
Na ade ba ko ne se enane na nsa na me ne abrantie bia o ye MPP, very disgruntled MPP member, Shia. Oh, o ma dwen ye o mo se omo pese nsuo ne nioma kwaye eye tantantan ne ye kase jo mahama penso eno so illegal mining course enti efakese na no omo na eye hwe ekun a efo pa baako wo wiase mu a bigidi se aban bia pese okosa akona any kwan say ye ne din illegal mining enu enso ne ekon a say din pa tiemiye ekon a efu pa eno no eno so okon a din pa say aban bia betimi akon nioma mienu will se opese wo pepase obeya de bi se wo pepase obetu galamse ase e wo wiase we ya Ghana we ya ye timi mu a eni kwan se ye den asase bia wura asase bia wura no oni masase na chiwade na se ekobase asase ni wura no woni wo ya adwen se adekro no yentu ase a
wetu
enye den o se enye den se ekobase asase ni wura no esanse ono de obedie ni de obefra ehia no echen se bi ne nkwa enti no obeyere ne ho ase nsuo ase nsase ase kwaye ase enfuo kokofuo ne sebi ne man no na wodi enya ne ho eno no ehia ne chen ne nkwanti no eno so makon ye den enti both sides of the coin no baaku ye difficult baaku ye very easy. Now what are the steps I was about taking? I'll prefer aban say on share na onye engagements ahodo na oma sebi na soldier for ne na police for ne sebi obibia hwe me the way I know Owura Yohunu as IGP say no apolice for ahodo a omo e ka ne ho nsem kire me in terms of operation so obey adwuma no I believe so strongly say when a soldier for CDS, and all the commanders, the Navy, the Air Force, the Army commanders, no, a team up, say, omo fight against illegal mining. It won't say me, my dream, me say, in Kro, and I say, quiet, no, and Kofu creating rebels, or Akufo Addo no kono, omuja rebels, ewo quiet. Our rebels now more quiet no one.
A good forest reserve what to.
Yes. Oma dream say obi bia ofra bonten ba no. Omo ne di besia ni. Say owura John Mahama. So ka say odi na srafo as commander in chief. Teaming up with the police at the dialogue. Now if persuasion fails on the force on the vehicle easily. But the other side of the coin is okay. So who palm or more made day?
Yes,
because the new may be a whole sona. Oh, palm now obedi day no. May this suggestion about say okay. Another side of the you say argument they say oh palm no obedi day there. And yeah, why don't you, the government, be part of that illegality, no, while you regularize it and make sure, say, yes, or two from a good year, and then Akufo Addo chair no one asase Ghana. And then a new month to gold, air transport to the gold, and a patriotic the respective countries so
US.
Go face to the gold, or be to the gold.
Australia.
No, yeah, indigenous, and they also money into.
Yeah, no, so.
What do I say? So why don't you be part of the corner higher cost one? Because sometimes say CID 4 crap is almost change for CID 4 no almost than almost 224. Now wakwa kobo be sibra. No wako jira baby Akufo Addo papa statue jira no. Togo embassy hono. Na hoda 224 in the Ghana. Ayo headquarters. Akufo Addo papa statue ni ho. Subai no Subai ninti anya cantonment nti Subai ninti no mo pe ho no Subai
Anno bisa area
Subai ninti yes Subai ninti ho na your headquarters Jamai best
statue ni beso
there be statue ne ko ho no mo de ho headquarters
ko wanim
so mo hwe mo de na efi ho no ana omo ayo o madwen say CID foi ye be ma yenkofo ni bia yete se o me am robbers ye be ma yenkofo ni bi tete no CID ni otimi sheda ko wale obi ni ye wedding
nde sa ne ma ni sheda ni
ewo ho
e hostel o
yes say ene no eni bie no edoso enti obetimi kura ni watena e bia emfie du no investigate wuni ene awalja ye bebrebe no CID fofa obe wa sisi a o pen sisi obe pene because no our pen no we ahwehwe nsemu. And you know, they should employ a lot of tact. Be part of it. While you investigate it, to know the roots. Once you get to the bottom, it's easy to fight it with a free consultation. And you know, say you be omo kai, say you be omo high. I come we ask you. Me I come the me say bi me nyankopon achemade na me kotubia. Oh, Pamina Waja New Month. Don't anyone just here. And you know, find the best way to approach it.
Okay.
Through dialogue. Many man see any media Ato Forson Adorye. That was a bonabaso. Or say palm industry. Would you say Malaysia for be far be free Ghana ha?
No, the call.
And as I say, Malaysia is almost world's leading producers of
palm oil.
And everything palm.
Nuts, yes.
On my way, and then so now the adre took car kwan ho kura betimi adane abe. Now no be tram for you be kire me. Car kwan mu car kwan finfin ebro hwegu wo say omunya accident na ebro ni bi hwegu na asase efifi a ebro na nyini a abo 2 cups. Wow. Car kwan. We have so much arable lands. You betimi produce a lot. Me we kura ponu na mega be hine abefum meaning how much oil palm one ɛwɔ hɔ a otimi generate oil bebree
mafu
ɛnyɛ nena saa deɛ wɔ nim sɛ mfaso wɔ so mfaso wɔ so dadaada abɛyɛ nto ne bibia ntwene enti ɛbɛyɛ kakra no saa deɛ Ato Forson kan no ne yɛ ba bɛyɛ oil palm te sɛ ɛyɛ cocoa ɛyɛ cash crop
yes ɛyɛ cash crop
etu bɔ si yɛ sɛ wɛ palm board te sɛ bɛyɛ cocoa board
cocoa na yɛ gold board
no sisi yɛ kɔyɛ cashew board ɛbɛyɛ kakra ne yɛ
board deɛ na me wɔ brown half den na do bɛdaadaa ɔmo so be amba
pacho mi yenka banyere mansem na yen forget history
me na say
Ato Forson ade a wo kan mo ma yenso mu wi na yen ni se ne wa go board no na eru anom achu
otie no
eda asma enso tie
eda asma yetie
o se mu abaso pa
ono
oye good
oye praise him man oye da baby for
oye praise him
okay
hallelujah
so that's why
we you see so and detective chief inspector retired yaya papa tiao ne wo fasi fo mienu Jimmy Coach ne Hamza dan pare koso o be ku omo no
enyo na mbre bi oba but na ye program yes
ono so wo hwe o
chief ye tiao pa
na mesere se be di manu sie no owa yonu apart from oman adwuma bebrebe a dampare police a wasɛ no a ɛba bɛda wo so minim sɛ wo ba bɛyɛ o maame ayi echi wo yɛ yenu wi a adwuma bebrebe wɔ hɔ mesrɛ wo ɛhwɛ na wa ma dampare bɔni bi a wayɛ bia no ango off no hwehwem mesrɛ wo hwehwem
aka 3 minutes we dey fair
am say galamsey king minister no or the 5 plans be to us and no now person on fan fight I say reforming the licensing regime fine very good because my things have been licensed normal on my council be brave
no ni man it would then cry say omulu see
after 7 my license yes second was also strengthening the laws
soldier
exactly strengthening laws enforcing and intensifying the security agencies.
Okay.
Now, I say, stakeholder engagement and collaboration. And no, when you bring the people and you team up with them, you can fight them because Sebi Omuhuni said they are part of it. In a way, no, and one wakano. Until say who are you want to fight it. This stakeholder engagement, no, be part of it. Let your people be part of it. Now, in a way, no, they should advise the people because at the end of the day, me sure say the reason for galamsey is say almost say issue, almost say stasi, almost say a forest, and almost say assassin. It means that they are not reclaiming the land. And this is the last thing.
Yes.
So the reclamation of the degraded land and the fourth one, and also alternative livelihood.
Yes.
Then so a very dicey issue.
Okay.
Because at the end of the day, the main issue is that then umbedi and almost then umbedi.
Your friend Galabedi.
Yes. Galabedi. And MP before person almost solve that then ebedi and almost say the omutoni community mining. And on no the best say bia because the
community mining chairman
so yes was excavators or the
into your best say yes abanu be nim say obetima so
na information on say bo kwan no ene be posofo say galamsey nti untimi mfiri be poso ntwam e wo bo kwan no Omesi kwan no
wo Asante region asem no
yes Asante region
because me yem share me pa mfi seta crowd kwan so
gabi bosomtwe
twe
she say bo kwan no fo na omutu galamsey no omo so mo ma be posofo ma mitwe nti
yo it for we and someone ababeto yepono so me ka say so nya subscribe to channel idea bomodi ase obe subscribe na wa like video to give us a thumbs up na fi share ma wo foforo so na we bi hwe na wo hu and someone ekoso e wo Ghana memo also with me otchere wadwen afa yes some we nyira ho e wo comment box ni mu mo beti nka bio in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.